Okay, so let's do some more nail art. Here we're doing the Rebel Pack and giving you kind of biker vibes. I am using acrylic airbrush paint. Some of these stencils are like two parts, right? So they have two things that you're going to do with them. You're going to do like the shield, and then you'll go back and you'll do the flames. When I'm doing my airbrush, I do work lightest to darkest. So when you see me doing like the black parts or whatever, I did this in that kind of order, where I did everything that was going to be dark, and then I went back and did all the things that were going to be light. So when I flashed through my airbrush, it was like not super difficult. Now I'm doing flames here, so I do use a pastel yellow base and then go hit it with the bright yellow and then with the red, because pastel yellow has a white base, right? And it really makes your colors pop. In hindsight, I should have put that over a different color nail, but whatever. Anyways, the skull with the flames is a two-part stencil that I created myself. Nobody else has this. I love making them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I try to come up with all the craziest things I can do. I will link below the stencil pack that's used and the paint, and like watch these flames come through. Bro. Like, yeah. All right. See y'all in the next video.